This video is for any student that will be signing up for housing for the fall 2019 term. Victor Bulldog has logged on to his housing portal and can see communication from the Office of Residence Life and Involvement, both here in the Messages tab, where he sees information on housing application dates and priority numbers, and on the side of his screen where he can see information regarding returning housing selection. The first step in signing up for housing is filling out the housing application. So Victor will select Housing Application and Spring Break Request, and he will then select Fall 2019 Returning Student Housing. After reading the terms and agreements of the housing contract, Victor will sign here at the bottom. He will then click Continue, and he'll make sure that all of his personal contact information is the same. Note that Victor can say he knows who his roommate will be or that he is seeking a roommate placement. Regardless of whether or not you know the answer to this question, it is important that you fill out the following information underneath. He will then click Continue and make sure that his housing emergency contact number is correct, and he will click Save this contact and then click Continue. At this point, Victor is done with the housing application process. Again, until he has further questions, he will receive further communication on the home portal of the housing portal, and he will stay tuned for videos on filling out the roommate profile and the roommate matching and room selection process.